script here. So yeah, this script shows the path for the classes which you can step into quickly. So yeah, if you invite money, it gives you infinite money basically, and gives you some bunch of items like I don't know whatever is this, but yeah. Basically show all the information. See guys, oh well, like kamu dia po. So yeah, the script will be in descriptions or comments. Okay, so let's help these people, guys. Let's help these people. Here guys, here. Yeah, let's go, bro. Come on, yeah, come on. Yeah, bro, let's go, bro. So yeah. Let's go to the end. Oh, this guy is stuck here. Oh, it's just an NPC. So yeah, basically this is how OP the script here. So credits to Tora is me for showcasing the script, bro. Yeah, bye.